Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you the story of the eagle and the chickens. High atop a rugged mountain, a proud eagle's nest cradled her eggs under strong winds and broad skies. One fateful night, an earthquake shook the summit and one egg slipped from its cradle, tumbling down the craggy slope, landing in a bustling chicken farm nestled in the valley below. The hens, startled yet kindly, discovered the unusual egg among their own. Though larger, they recognized its need for warmth. A mother hen volunteered to sit on it. In due course, the chick hatched, feathered like an eagle, yet surrounded by pecking hens. From the first breath, it believed the barnyard its true home. In the yard, the young eagle, whom the hens called Chicky, pecked at the dirt from worms, stuttered with awkward clucks, and learned to flap just a few feet off the ground. He grew plump and lively, immersed in the crowd whom he believed to be his kin. Curiosity sometimes stirred within him. He would pause and lift his gaze skyward, wings itching for something he couldn't name. But each time he voiced that longing, the hens clackered. Chicky, why watch the sky? Chickens don't fly like that. Stay here with us. Enjoy the seeds and sunshine. Their voices rang firm, and Chicky folded his wings. Thanks to their reassurance and perhaps a bit of fear, he accepted his place on the ground. But one serene morning, Chicky saw a magnificent eagle gliding above him. High on the thermal winds, he froze, awe filling his chest. Chicky said, "Who is that?" A wise old hen replied, with what she thought was kindness. "That is an eagle, the king of birds. We're chickens, we belong to the earth." Chicky's heart sank. He had caught a glimpse of something greater and then been told he was too small to claim it. Still unsettled, Chicky tried to stretch a wing, running toward the barn's edge. He launched himself, but clumsy and unpracticed, he plunged helplessly into the dirt. Bruised and embarrassed, he retreated into the coop, too ashamed to reveal the warrior he had found beneath his feathers. Days passed. Though his chest ached with longing, he buried it beneath the rhythm of hen life, resigned to his coop, to his pecking. Traveling hunter, pausing at the farm, noticed Chicky's unusual size and bearing. He said to the farmer, "That chick has eagle's feathers, tall stance, curious gaze. Put him on a cliff to see what he'll do." Reluctantly, the farmer and the hunter carried him to a nearby cliff's edge. The height made Chicky's heart pound. He stiffened, frightened. The farmer dropped him, and for a moment Chicky tumbled like a pebble. But then, instinct ignited. His wings, wide as they ever been, he caught an updraft. Buffeted by wind, he found his rhythm, gliding eagle, rising. The farmer gasped. The hunter nodded. Chicky soared above cliffs, free and alive. Chicky returned to the farmyard that evening, but he was changed. His feathers still brushed the coop, but his spirit soared beyond its walls. He called to the chickens not to mock them, but to invite them. "Watch the sky, feel the wind, you too can rise." They chuckled, unconvinced. Some retreated from his boldness. Others paused, curiosity stirring behind their feathers. Chicky didn't demand they joined. He only showed them what he'd learned. Possibilities beyond comfort. Years passed. Chicky built a nest high in the mountains again. This time by choice, not by accident. He lived as an eagle, hunting, gliding, climbing heights. Yet he never forgot the chickens that raised him, or the truths he merely abandoned. His story traveled. Farmers, hunters, even other birds spoke of a creature born in barns, but again by rising above. And the moral spread. You become what you believe you are. Identity shapes destiny. Nurture can limit or liberate, depending on your willingness to listen to your own heart.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends or anyone who loves meaningful tales. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another twist, another tale, and another truth. Bye bye, see you very soon.